Knife we're going to look at is a Japanese woodworkers tool. Flat on one side and then angled on the other. It's more like a chisel grind as opposed to just a normal cutting knife. This I got online, Amazon maybe, less than £10. The edge was awful, but a bit of polishing it has come up quite well. I wouldn't necessarily cut soft leathers with, we'll get the upholstery hide out. So it will cut. It's just not great for it on the softer stuff. However, where it does come into its own is on the thicker pieces of leather. So if we just go to this piece of edge tan, we can cut with it. The real use for this is for skiving your edges down. Takes a bit of practice, takes a lot of getting used to. There are machines that can skive down much nicer than this can. You can get a splitter, you can get hand skivers and things like that, but for a tool that can do more than one thing, you can cut and you can skive your edges with this. The maintenance for this knife will be shown in another video, as this takes a lot of preventative maintenance and general care. Affiliate links for the items featured today can be found in the description below. Buying any of these items through these links will help to fund the channel. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you aren't already, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when a new video is being released. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment down below.